and everybody's welfare. That's what we have calculated here. The moment that you guys feel dizzy, or you feel something that you don't normally feel, you don't feel good, just approach.
Register muna. Nasa Watson. Nandito kami ngayon sa event ng Estancia Swing and Sway. Ayan. Mga senior citizens. So, diba? Ayan po. Tapos, meron din silang libreng pakain dito. Ayan. May pa-waffle. Meron din silang water, coffee. O, diba? Siyempre, meron ding glucose test kami, tsaka blood pressure dito sa Healthway. Ayan. Diyan ako nakapwesto.
will be getting 1,000
Ayan.
pesos. 1,000 pesos.
Yes.
And then for, of course, for the best dancer
Ballroom
of
dance
the
ng mga
day,
seniors. And may
we have
boot din kami dito, guys.
Both will be
Helping
getting 2,000 pesos each. So that's our grand prizes. So, hindi lang po.
Ayan, yun na yung aking table.
We will also be giving out special
Ayan, yung
prizes
food ko.
for these special
Kahit
awards.
type yung kasama ko.
So,
Kaya
guys, okay.
hindi ko na lang
Again,
binidyo
our
sinama.
so if you want to do
So, ayan, may pa-awarding na sila.
if you want to dance with your friends,
Ayan, sasayawin nila. Boom.
Kanan, kaliwa, balik. Kanan, kaliwa, balik. Ulit. Kanan, kaliwa, balik. Ayo. Kanan, kaliwa, balik. Okay, next. Ginamit natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Got it? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit. Front, back, back. Okay?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words.
Stand. Very good. Very good. Everybody knows it's ready. Okay, now let's go. Incorporate natin ang basic, forward, tapos ang ating palatong step. Okay, music please. Balik.
No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
So, are you guys ready? Nawala yung energy na mag-stretch na kayo kanina. Nag-cool down na. Nawala yung energy again. Are you guys ready to know the winners?
Yes!
So our first award is the Early Bird Award.
Wow!
So,
Early
sino ba
bird!
yung
Early bird!
nagbubukas yung ball? Nandito na po siya. So,
Ayan.
our first awardee for the Early Bird is, meron pa nga na dyan? Drum roll. Okay, so, our first award of the night or this afternoon, the Early Bird Award goes to
Early bird award daw, guys!
the first award is, or for the Early Bird Award goes to Marilyn Vista.
Wow! Siya ang pinakamaagang dumating, guys. Wow!
Ayun, kaya naman, ano ba tayo dito?
Wow!
Picture.
Oh, siya ang pinakamaaga.
Picture mo na tayo.
O, diba?
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congrats!
For the next award, so maraming handa dito. So for Best in Outfit, Best Dress
Best in
Award.
outfit.
So
Sino
the
kaya ang best in
Dress
outfit?
Award goes to
Sino kaya sa kanila? Best in outfit.
Mila Rose Asuncion.
Wow!
Yes, congratulations.
Yes! Best, ano siya? Outfit. Yan. Nice. Ganda. Ang ganda ng suot nga niya. Oh, makintab, guys. Sexy and black. Yan. Congrats!
Congratulations, ma'am. Phil.
Oh, the most
Award.
energetic
So,
naman. The most
award
energetic daw.
goes to
Wow, most energetic. Sino kaya sa kanila? Feeling ko
congratulations to Adler Sangala. Yeah, sir.
si Sir, ang most energetic. Wow. Cute. Congrats.
Congratulations. And now, dito may kami dito because there are a lot of you female dancers who have given their energy sobrang puting na bigay.
Wow,
So
sino
for
kaya?
our most energetic female dancer of Grand Swing Swing is
Sino kaya? Baka nandito sa site na to.
Mary Ann Mercado. Congratulations.
Wow! Siya.
Ano ba sa next pa na yun ito?
Yes. Most energetic dancer. Galing. Oh, so cute.
Congratulations. Enrico and his grandmother have. Congratulations! Congratulations! And now,
Congrats!
for the best dancer female, our
Female.
winner is
Sino kaya ang best dancer? Cash prize, guys.
congratulations to Grace Pamandalan.
Wow!
Best dancer, best actress.
Wow! Congrats!
Congratulations po.
Congrats! Wow! Best dancer!
Congratulations po to all the winners.
Congrats!
Meron na po announcement. There's an iPhone model that's left with the registration table. So if this is yours, just approach the